Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of setting up Zoom inside Gmail. If you use Gmail every day and also rely on Zoom for meetings, then this is a super handy integration that saves you time and keeps everything in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install the add-on, connect your account, and start or schedule meetings directly from your inbox. Let's get started. First, open up Gmail and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. You should notice a small plus icon or an option that says Get Add-ons. This is what you need to click in order to access the Google Workspace Marketplace. When the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Zoom for Gmail. Double check that you're selecting the official add-on because there may be other tools with similar names. Once you found the correct one, click on Install. At this point, Gmail will ask for your permission to connect Zoom with your account. You'll see prompts requesting access to your emails and calendar. Go ahead and click Continue. This is necessary because without these permissions, Zoom can't generate meeting links or sync with your calendar. After the installation finishes, it's time to link your accounts. Sign in. This step ensures everything stays in sync. Once everything is linked, you'll start noticing the Zoom icon appear in the right-hand panel of your Gmail screen. This is the shortcut you'll be using moving forward. From here, you have two really useful options. You can schedule a Zoom meeting ahead of time, complete with an agenda, an invite list, or if you're in a rush, you can start an instant meeting directly from Gmail with just a couple of clicks. And that's it. You've now set up Zoom inside Gmail. It's simple, it's efficient, and it saves you from constantly switching tabs or copying links back and forth. Next time you're managing your inbox, you'll have Zoom sitting right there waiting for you. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow and helps you be more productive. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.